Welcome. Today I am going to show you how to navigate the OpenEssayMe website as you practice for major exams, like the GED, the College Application Essay, or essays that you might do in college. The website provides unlimited tutoring, untailored essay practices. It also gives you personalized feedback that are directly aligned with official exam formats like the GED. You will also have 24/7 access to our personalized AI tutor that will help you with any aspect of grammar and essay writing that you need help with. The premise is that you will ultimately be prepared to take these writing type exams by using the site frequently. To sign up, simply go to Login. And if you are signing up for the first time, you can choose the Sign Up option. Of course, you want to sign up with a username, first name, and last name, but don't worry, you can change this later. Be sure to enter a valid email so that you can get confirmations and change your password if needed. Once you're done, hit Submit. You can also log in with Google if you want to, and to log in with Google, simply click on the Login with Google link at the bottom. Be sure to choose a Google account that you use frequently so that you will be able to log in and always have access to the site. Hit Continue, and this will take you to the navigation area of the website. Once you're logged in, you'll see a welcome message. Click Next to proceed. On the following screen, you'll be asked to select the 2 exams you're most interested in. Choose exams relevant to your current studies, or if you're simply practicing essay writing for college, select the specific exam you need. After making your choices, click Next. Next, you'll encounter a list of grammatical rules. If you wish to reinforce specific grammar topics, select up to 6 rules from this list. Don't worry, these selections aren't final. You can always adjust or add to them later. Once satisfied with your choices, click Next to move forward. On the subsequent screen, you'll focus on comprehension skills. Most exams that include an essay component will also require you to analyze comprehension passages. Typically, these passages ask you to identify main ideas, draw inferences, or assess the author's intent and tone. Certain exams, like the GED, might present 2 separate texts and prompt you to compare and contrast their tone, interpret the author's purposes, or evaluate how 2 authors may present different viewpoints about the same topics. Feel free to select the comprehension topics you find most interesting. Don't worry about making perfect choices now. You'll always have access to them later, organized by exam. If you've received a promo code, enter it on the next screen. This promo code provides unlimited access to the entire site. If you don't have a promo code, simply click Skip and then select Start Learning to begin your journey. The next screen is your dashboard, where you'll find the latest updates on exams, grammar rules, and comprehension topics. At the top, you'll also see a tab that tracks your progress as you study. Familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it adapts dynamically based on your previous activities and highlights areas needing further reinforcement. You can easily navigate between different sections using the available tabs. Below the dashboard, you'll find the Essay Practice tab. This section displays the 2 essays you selected initially or have marked as favorites. Additionally, there's an All Essays tab, allowing you to customize your selection by adding or removing essays as needed. The goal is to help you manage your workload effectively by focusing on a few essays at a time, while still giving you the flexibility to switch them out whenever you'd like. When you're ready, select an essay you're interested in. For instance, the GED essay. Selecting it will display a description specific to the GED essay. If you'd prefer a more comprehensive overview of the exam itself, click the Exam Overview tab at the top. This will direct you to a dedicated page containing detailed information about the chosen essay. If you're short on time or prefer not to read through the entire overview, you can use the OpenEssayMe Guide feature. The OpenEssayMe Guide offers free practice questions for immediate practice or lets you ask specific questions directly. You'll notice a microphone icon, which allows you to speak your questions aloud. These questions are then sent directly to the OpenEssayMe guide for prompt assistance. In short, this platform provides multiple ways to gain information, practice, and improve your essay writing skills tailored precisely to your learning needs. Let's move forward. The OpenEssayMe guide is an AI tool that is your essential resource for essay writing. It provides detailed guidance on crafting effective introductions, structuring essay bodies, and mastering the specific requirements of your chosen exam. Think of the guide as your personal tutor. It's there to answer specific questions about any essay you're working on and support you at every step of the writing process. You'll notice several convenient options available within the guide. Speaker option enables the guide to read responses aloud, making it easier to absorb information.
Writing an effective introduction for your GED extended response essay is crucial for setting.
Show list and show more options provide additional preset questions tailored to your exam. Chat and microphone options allow you to type or speak your questions directly, ensuring flexibility in how you seek assistance. These interactive tools ensure you can efficiently gain clarity on any topic, helping you approach your essay with confidence and deeper understanding. Once you're comfortable and ready to test your skills, click Practice. The OpenEssayMe system will provide you with a prompt designed specifically to mirror the exam you're preparing for. For example, a GED-style prompt includes 2 passages and asks you to determine which argument is better supported. This allows you to practice under realistic conditions, helping you build confidence for the actual exam. Now, let's briefly illustrate how the feedback process works. I'll enter a sample response to demonstrate. Once submitted, the system takes a few moments to generate feedback. While it's processing, feel free to explore other sections, such as additional essays or grammar topics. When your feedback is ready, a green notification bar will appear at the bottom of your screen. Upon clicking the notification, you'll see Exam-Specific Score, reflecting how your response would perform on the real exam. Percentage Score, providing clarity on your performance level. Detailed Feedback, tailored specifically to the exam you're practicing, highlighting strengths, areas for improvement, and recommended strategies. Suggested Grammar Reviews, personalized suggestions on grammar rules you should revisit based on your performance. The essay practice is unlimited, so you can revisit essays as often as you need, especially if you've been provided with a promo code granting full access. Let's take a quick look at how grammar practice works. When you navigate to the grammar section, you'll find the grammar topics you previously selected as favorites. Additionally, the All Grammar tab allows you to customize your grammar study. Importantly, the system also generates suggested grammar topics based on the essays you've practiced and the feedback you've received. Each time you complete an essay, the platform identifies specific grammar areas for further review, neatly organizing them in the suggested section. For each grammar topic, you'll receive clear explanations. If the initial explanation isn't sufficient, click View Alternate Explanation to access another perspective. The platform also encourages active reading by allowing you to highlight key points directly in the text. As always, the guide remains accessible during grammar practice. Clicking on it allows you to ask the guide to simplify content, clarify challenging concepts, or explore the rationale behind grammatical rules. The chat, microphone, and preset questions remain available here too. Similar to essay practice, grammar practice offers unlimited attempts. When you initiate practice, the system generates targeted exercises based on the selected grammar rule. As your practice is graded, you can freely navigate other areas of the site. Once grading is complete, a notification will prompt you to review your results. You'll see clearly marked questions indicating correct and incorrect answers, accompanied by concise explanations to reinforce your understanding. If you have further questions about why a particular answer is incorrect or need clarification on what a question is specifically asking, the OpenEssayMe guide is here to assist you. Simply select the question you're uncertain about and ask the guide directly. you can inquire about the intent of the question, reasons why a certain answer choice is incorrect, or why one option is preferable over another. The guide will support your understanding, reinforcing key grammar rules or concepts without limit. There's no countdown to worry about. Once you're confident, you can easily click Try Again and continue practicing. Below the grammar section, you'll find the comprehension section, which reflects the type of reading passages commonly featured on exams, such as the GED and others. In this section, you'll encounter various passages, including single texts, paired passages, or poetry, each accompanied by related questions. Similar to grammar practice, you have unlimited opportunities to practice comprehension, receive detailed feedback, and explore alternate explanations for challenging concepts. Additionally, you can use the OpenEssayMe guide here as well to clarify, simplify, or analyze specific questions further and whether or not you answered them correctly. Remember, the microphone feature is always available for convenience. Make it your ally. Another valuable tool you'll find below comprehension is the dictionary. As an active reader, you're encouraged to highlight important sections within essays, grammar explanations, and comprehension passages. If you encounter unfamiliar words or phrases, you can easily highlight and add them directly to your personal dictionary for ongoing vocabulary building. Your dictionary will also include curated vocabulary lists relevant to the essays or exams you're currently preparing for. These lists adapt dynamically as you switch essays. When you select a word from the dictionary, you'll receive clear definitions with detailed explanations, contextual examples demonstrating how to correctly use the word, alternate explanations to deepen your understanding. The dictionary also offers unlimited interactive practice. You'll be prompted to define words in your own terms, explain their meanings, and use them effectively in sentences. Upon submission, the system will evaluate your responses, providing targeted feedback just as it does with your grammar and essay practice. Mastering these terms is crucial for your success on the exam, as strong vocabulary directly contributes to your overall comprehension and writing proficiency. Finally, there's the OpenEssayMe Tutor, an interactive companion designed to supplement your learning alongside the guide. Imagine the tutor as your personal instructor, available to provide tailored one-on-one support on specific topics. Whether it's guidance on structuring an essay introduction, clarification of a challenging grammar rule, or detailed assistance with comprehension questions, the tutor adapts to your learning needs. Here's how the tutor can assist you. Select the essay topic or grammar rule you need help with. Ask the tutor direct, detailed questions about specific writing or grammar issues. Request personalized feedback on your writing, such as improving introductions or essay structure. Engage in active discussions, as the tutor won't just give answers, but will guide you step by step toward a comprehensive understanding. This personalized tutoring space encourages you to be as specific or general as you like, offering tailored instruction to reinforce your knowledge in areas where you need it most. To enhance your experience further, we recommend customizing your profile. You can upload a profile photo, update your name, manage your password, or enter a promo code if you missed doing so earlier. Your personalized dashboard dynamically updates your progress, clearly displaying your achievements across essays, grammar exercises, and comprehension activities. The dashboard also conveniently highlights recent activities under the latest section, helping you track your ongoing improvement. We hope you thoroughly enjoy using the platform. Take advantage of all the resources and tools available: your guide, your tutor, unlimited practice, interactive feedback, and more to enhance your skills and achieve academic success. In short, every aspect of this platform, from essay writing to grammar practice, is designed to provide personalized, interactive support to strengthen your skills and ensure your success.